Thanks for joining us once again. I am Joseph from the Crown Traders Forex Academy. Today, we'll be looking briefly behind the scenes on who trades Forex, how trades are matched, and why Forex market stays liquid over the span of 24 hours, 5 days, a week. In simple terms, how the Forex market works, buyers, sellers, and the liquidity. So what is the Forex market? Like I said in the previous video, and I want to re-emphasize, it is a global online network where currencies are bought and sold. It consists of many exchanges, but it's a decentralized market connecting bankers, brokers, institutions, and retail traders. See, there are buyers and sellers in the Forex market. That is, each trade has two sides, a buyer and a seller. So you buy when you expect the base currency to be strong. You sell when you expect it to be weak. The price movement equals balance of buy or sell pressure. So it is one of the reasons why the financial market does not like gaps. Gaps in the market has to be filled. So for every buy movement in price, there must be a corresponding sell movement or sell pressure. See? So, and then, are you tired of losing trades, chasing signals, and struggling to find consistency in the Forex market? Hello, welcome. I am Joseph, the Crown Trader, with 9 years plus experience in Forex trading. I have mentored students across Africa and the entire globe, helping them trade with clarity, confidence, and profitability. At the Crown Traders Academy, we teach principles, simplicity, and profitability. This is no gimmicks, just real Forex trading education that transforms how you see and trade the market. Our complete mentorship program is valued at $1,000, but for a limited time, we are giving a whopping 80% discount. That means you pay only $200 to secure your spot and lifetime assets with the following condition to have access to our SRA trading model. Do this. Number one, click on any brokerage link in the description below and register. Number two, fund your registered account with at least $50. Number three, send a screenshot of your $200 for your mentorship and your $50 funded in your trading account via WhatsApp to be added to our global mentorship group. Join the Crown Traders Academy today, where we empower traders, transform life, build ethical wealth across Africa and the globe. Register now. Offer ends soon. See you on the other side. Blessings. Liquidity now comes into play in the same way. So liquidity is how easily you can enter or exit trades without moving the price, or it is the ease of convertibility of an asset into cash in the Forex market. You see that? So Forex is one of the most liquid markets with trillions of dollars being traded daily, especially for major pairs. High liquidity equals tighter spreads and faster fills. That means the more there is money in the market available to be traded, the more it's easier for your trades to be filled faster, and your spreads, that's the difference between the bid and the ask price, to be tighter, sometimes 0, 1, and the likes of them. So the main players of the Forex space are the central banks, commercial banks, corporations, hedge funds, retail traders, and their combined activity produces continuous price action and liquidity or availability of cash to be traded within the financial market. In summary, Forex works because millions transact on it globally, and 24 hours, 5 days in a week. What would you do with this video? Kindly register with any broker's link in the video description below and practice your trading steps in a demo account. Thanks for watching, and remember, we don't just trade the market, we empower traders, transform lives, build ethical wealth across Africa and the globe through principles, simplicity, and profit. See you in the next lessons.